In today's video, I'll teach you how to check Amazon rewards point. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link www.amazon.com/hp/shop with points/servicing. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. You can see over here, you'll be able to find various cards over here. You'll also be able to find various programs. So what you have to do is simply select the card associated with your rewards program. Here I'm just going to click on this card. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to use the rewards point in order to shop at amazon.com. So if you want to see the available rewards, what you have to do is simply click on this option, see available rewards, that you can see on the screen. After you do that, in another interface, you'll be able to see the available reward points. So that is how you check Amazon rewards point. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.